The polar regions have an extreme climate. In most part of the year, it is covered with snow. Here, for 6 months, the sun does not rise, and for the other 6 months, the sun does not set. In winters, the temperature can be as low as minus 37 degrees Celsius. Animals living there have adapted to these severe conditions. Let us see how they are adapted by considering the examples of polar bears and penguins. Polar bears have white fur so that they are not easily visible in the snowy white background. It protects them from their predators and it also helps them in catching their prey. To protect them from extreme cold, they have 2 thick layers of fur. They also have a layer of fat under their skin. It insulates its body from cold and keeps it warm. Physical activities on warm days necessitate cooling. So the polar bear goes for swimming. It's a good swimmer. Its paws are wide and large, which help it not only to swim but also walk with ease in the snow. While swimming underwater, it can close its nostrils and can remain underwater for long durations. It also has a strong sense of smell so that it can catch its prey for food. Another well-known animal that lives in the polar region is penguin. It is also white and merges with the white background. It also has a thick skin and a lot of fat to protect it from cold. You may have seen pictures of penguins huddled together. They do this to keep them warm. Like polar bears, penguins are also good swimmers. Their bodies are streamlined and their feet have webs, making them good swimmers. Now what about birds in the polar region? Generally, birds in the polar region migrate to warmer areas when the winter starts and they come back when the winter is over. You know that India is one of the destinations of many of these birds. You might have heard about the Siberian crane that comes from Siberia to places like Bharatpur in Rajasthan and Sultanpur in Haryana and some other wetlands of northeast and some other parts of India.